Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee very tasty, only way. Start by choosing fresh beans and a consistent grind size to match your brewer. We will measure coffee and water precisely, heat water to the right temperature, and use proper brew time to avoid bitterness. I'll guide you through simple adjustments for strength, grind, and pouring technique, so you leave with reliably delicious coffee every single morning. To get predictable flavor, dial in grind and dose carefully. Start with a standard one, 16 ratio, then tweak by 5 to 10% to match your taste. Grind setting should match your brew method to control extraction and clarity. We'll test small changes, taste, and refine until the coffee tastes balanced with clean acidity and full body. This routine saves time and ensures great cups consistently without guesswork. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like to support more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes titty-ups a breeze, and it even avoids your coffee table while you brew. It's a small convenience that keeps your kitchen ready for perfect cups. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Your pouring technique transforms good coffee into great coffee. Begin with a bloom pour to release trapped gases, then continue with steady, circular pours to maintain even extraction. Keep brew times appropriate, shorter for pour-over, longer for immersion methods. Taste as you adjust and note small changes, like pour speed or water temperature. These micro-adjustments yield a cleaner cup with sweeter notes and less bitterness, making each brew more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.